the ground. Trying to make an end of the fun. What's been said between your heart and mine? Welcome back, ma'am. Welcome back, ma'am. Delectable family from USA. Welcome back. The smiling face lets me know that you need me. There's a truth in your eyes saying you never need me. Got some good friends say you can't me whenever I fall.
Mrs. Perla Llamas.
Mrs. Perla Llamas from birthday pala ni Mrs. Perla Llamas of USA. Here we go, let's sing your birthday song for Mrs. Perla Llamas of USA. Welcome to SM City. Ay, bakang to ka rin eh, nakapsat tayo ka, nag-gayan tayo di USA ako. Diretso na lang tayo dito yung SM City. Okay, here we go. Ang sumang birthday. Okay, welcome balikbayans. Welcome to SM City. Happy birthday, Miss Perla, and many, many more. Another year has passed. I love you even more. Your eyes, I love to see. Your eyes, I love to kiss. Your hands, I love to touch. I love you all so very much. Tomorrow, start the morning, and then every day. You wanna say we love you, Mom Perla, happy birthday. See you again. Thank you very much. Happy birthday. Okay, thank you kayo nag-request ako. May panyulat sa request ko niya na kantahin. Kaya ng kantahin ako. Thank you. Thank you for being on the ground.